Hello friends. So today we will start circulatory system. So look at this picture and after you will understand what we will say in a circulatory system. So look this picture carefully and take the screenshot of this picture. So look at this picture and after you will learn about circulatory system. So friends, without definition you will not able to understand circulatory system, and without figure you will not able to learn circulatory system. So firstly we will learn the definition of circulatory system. So what is circulatory system? In exam already asked. The circulatory system is defined as the system that moves blood, oxygen and nutrients. Three things that moves. First one is blood, oxygen and third one is nutrients through the body. Then friends, it is responsible for supplying cells. It is responsible for what? It is responsible for supplying cells with the oxygen and nutrients oxygen and nutrients needed, and removes various waste product. What removes? Various waste product. I hope you will able to understand circulatory system, but I will explain and repeat again, so please carefully what you will say. The circulatory system is defined as the system. Circulatory system, what you will define? Circulatory system is the one kind of system that moves blood, oxygen and nutrients through the body. It is responsible for supplying blood, cells and the oxygen and also with the nutrients needed, and removes the various waste product. So friends, after I will show you this picture and able to understand what we will learn in this definition. So it is the basic definition and it is your basic figure of your circulatory system. So friends, in the next video we will learn about the different kind of blood cells, different kind of our blood cells, that like RBC, WBC, platelets and its other word what we will say, other name of all the bloods. And after in the next video learn about what is the functions of each and every blood. So friends, thanks for watching. If you want to like it, then please subscribe to our channel.